For Fairfield Pond, named after the adjoining body of water on the property, is one of the most expensive homes on the planet at the worth of $248 million. Of course, with a net worth of more than $4 billion, the sky is the limit of business mogul. But the home has been the topic of discussion. Both irritation from nearby Southampton. The Brooklyn-born business is one of the richest individuals in New York. He began a career on Wall Street in the mid-1950s, according to Celebrity Net Worth, and launched his own security firm in the early 60s. After many failed business attempts, Renroth launched Renco Group and success was finally his. With estimated annual revenues of $5 billion, he holds stake in multi-truck maker AI General, lead and sync producer. In the late 1990s, Renroth founder the Reno Group decided to begin construction for his dream house located in Sagaponack. The $390 million mega mansion. Le Palace Pillows, Bubble Palace. When designing Le Palace Pillows, the Bubble Palace, from 1975 and 1989, mid-century architect N.T. Lobet. Mid-century architect N.T. Lobren echoed similar sentiments. Human beings have limited themselves to cubes full of dead ends and angles that obstruct our movement and shatter our harmony. He concluded the straight line, he continued, was an attack against nature. N.T. Loving was born in Hungary in 1920s and studied naval architecture at Stockholm, Sweden. Following that, he walked to Paris, France to pursue his education in early 1960s. Inspired by natural shapes of conceived a natural dwelling, Les Palace is pleasant and full of surprises. The motion of our arms and legs to our species traces circles, analogous to a circular field of view according to Lubbock. Throughout his career, he experimented with his concept, creating prototype experimental construction that express his beliefs of human body and its relationship to space. Another explanation for the circle's pronunciation is his work is that it is the most basic construction. It is just one dimension, the radius. This predictably transforms into a three-dimensional sphere, the lightest, strongest, and most material efficient of all the forms. Plaza de Amore in hills of California. The worth of $129 million. A palatial Mediterranean estate minutes from the heart of Beverly Hills. Plaza de Amaro sits on a rare 25-acre, fringed by terraced crowns of wine producing vineyard and overlooking panoramic views of the Los Angeles basin to the Pacific Ocean. Magnificent in scale and unseating in luxury, this property stands out as a rare architectural gem that offers unparalleled privacy and Rothschild living in an enchanting setting, reminiscent of a grand European palace. A 30,000 square feet estate with 12 bedrooms, 23 bathrooms, a 50-seat movie theater, vineyard wine cellar, and speculated canyon terraces. 2 decades ago, 800 million home sale was almost unthinkable. Time has changed. 4 homes in the US have closed above $100 million last year, along with the growing number of billionaires worldwide. There's been a sharp increase in the number of $100 million homes on the market. Owned by billionaire developer Jeffrey Green, the estate was the most expensive listing in the country back in 2014, when it went on the market for $195 million. The property is back up for sale within a price cut to a mere $120 million.